Hey man! Hello everybody! This is Herman. Your everybody, welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing? Now we are now in Brussels, here in Belgium, the capital city of Belgium. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, we are now in Palace. So stunning, you know, very opulent, and I love the place. Thanks God, it's not raining and there's a sun with us. God is good. We are in front of Atomium, or you see this? Yes, that's the Atomium. It's, you know, it symbolizes atom, just like a matter, you know. Sana ganito yung weather natin, no? Hindi masyadong malamig. Tapos may araw para at least maganda yung mga pictures natin. We are heading to Palace. Then we are looking for the mannequin piece. Oh my God, this is the Palace, guys! I love it! A paradise on earth! Oh my God, so hypnotizing! Oh my God, you see this? Now guys, we are talking. I love it here. Guys, so opulent. It seems that, you know, every corner of the buildings has a gold-plated, you know. This time, we're gonna try what makes Brussels more interesting when it comes to their delicacies, their food, wine, or you know, coffee. Okay. And here guys, sikat ang Belgium sa paggawa ng Belgian waffle. Ayan na. They have different types, the way they make Belgian waffle, guys. Classic lang kinuha nila. Ang sarap ng waffle nila, guys. Napaka-sticky ng chocolate nila. Ang sarap. Alam mo talaga, original yung chocolate kasi para alam mo yung dumidikit sa lalamunan mo. So yun na nga guys, nasa chocolate store tayo, and the thing is, bigay sila ng bigay ng free taste and I love it. Ang sasarap na mga chocolate nila dito. So guys, yun na nga. Sa likod natin is the mannequin piece, which is most symbolizes of Belgium, Brussels, or iconic. It's snowing, guys. We are here in Belgium, snowing. It's raining and snowing.
Lamig!
Magsasnow din bukas sa Paris.
Oh my God. Oo nga, lalaki. Oh my God. You see that, guys? First time mo makakita ng ganito. Talagang ano to. Lakas din ng hangin eh. yun na nga, tayo lang hinihintay. Pabalik na tayo sa bus and still snowing. We'll have to make it fast. My first encounter with the snow and it kinda, I'm starting to love it. Where are they? Sana yung bus? Nawawala. Ang lalaki ng service nila eh. Hey man, hello everybody, this is Hemant, your everybody, welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing? It's so cold. Time check, it's 8 in the morning here in Belgium. So kagabi, ang lakas ng snow, ang lakas ng hangin. Tapos, ito na yung naging aftermath ng kagabi. Hey! And we have to make it fast kasi tinatawag na tayo ng bus. So this time, we are be heading to Paris. There will be a 4 hours and 30 minutes travel going to Paris, which is the focal point of this tour.
A few moments later.
Oh my God, it's snowing! Ang lakas ng snow! Woo! Guys, everything is perfect! Oh my God! So ito na nga, papunta kami ng Paris ngayon, which is, you know, we didn't anticipate this kind of weather, which is so heavy snow. Oh my God! You see this, guys? Oh my God, I love it! Everything is perfect on white. Alam mo yung sumasalubong sa mukha mo yung snow, guys. As in talaga, oh my God. Hey, hey, hey! Hey! How's the experience having the snow, guys?
Cold. It's very
so
cold.
cold, right?
But beautiful.
Yeah. Hey, friends! Oh my God! Hi, guys! How was it?
We're eating rain.
Yeah. I love the feeling, guys. Simple joys, but you know, it gives a more simple joy. Simple joys. You see this, guys? Oh my God, I can't believe it. I'm having a snow on my hand. It's here. And you see this? Everything is perfect in white. I love it. You know, I love it. I could not even imagine in Paris like this. Oh God. You know, it feels that, you know, I want to stay more outside, but you know, considering the consequences, you know, it's gonna be bad for us. Whew. That was intense. I can't believe it, guys. Bago tayo pumasok, experience muna natin to. Woo, woo, woo. It's good. Oh, but it's hard, guys. Guys, I'm having my moment. Oh, I can't believe it, guys. Oh, you see this? Yeah. So wala pa tayo sa Paris, pero talagang Oh my God! Ang lakas ng snow. It's -1 and the weather is starting to give us more vibes. Oh, it feels like... Yeah, go ahead. Guys, can't believe it. I'm walking sa snow. Love it! It's snowing, guys, but you know, tuloy pa rin tayo. Welcome to Paris. Welcome to France. And in front of me, this is the what do you call this one? The Arc de Triomphe. Triomphe. This is the famous one. Oh my God, it's snowy. Lahat, aliga. Sa ano? Sige, ma'am. Picturean kita. Lahat aligaga, hindi na makapag-focus. So yan na nga siya, guys. Nakaka-amaze lang. Siguro I'll be back here in Paris during summer season or you know, fall or kasi hindi maganda yung view pag ganito eh. Ang lamig. Oh my God. Sis, we're gonna go back to the bus. So yan na nga, dahil sa bad weather and you know, hindi masyado visible yung tower, so that's why we decided not to come.
Sayang ang
Or
tower.
not go down because it's just useless and you know, there are a lot of people also there. So guys, that's the Eiffel Tower. But sad to say, we can't get the visible you know, structure of the Eiffel Tower because of the bad weather that we have. We will be having our boat cruising. So despite of the bad weather, we will pursue our boat cruising, and I hope it's gonna, you know, give us a lot of memories. Yeah, one at a time. Don't play the machine. Yeah, it's my turn.
Ovo vam neću prevesti, što sam rekao.
Alright, congratulations to me. Guys, stay here daw. It's bumpy. Saan tayo pwede magstay? Hanapin natin yung toilet. Parang gusto na ko mawala ng ibong Adarna.
Öyle bir yere gidiyorum şu an.
So, yun na nga kung mapapansin natin. We have to expect the unexpected. Still snowing, but you know, what's the most important thing is that the memories that we created in the while traveling, like, you know, that's the most important thing. One. Come on, guys. Dahan-dahan kasi madula. Yan. Yung glam team. Friend ako naman, please.
Hindi mo, magkikitera ko lang.
Ito na nga, guys. We're under the bridge. The deck.
Huwag ka kasakitan dito eh.
Yan na
Okay lang. Ang last day naman natin to eh.
So this is Paris?
This is Paris. Paris.
Pare sa Sabaw.
Maraming garlic, Paris! Let it go!
Let it go!
Let it go lang talaga.
1, 2, 3, go!
Go! Yan, pose! Yan, goal, ang ganda! Back, perfect! Woo!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! to you.
Baka naman eh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Sa kabila. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Yeah, yeah.
Happy birthday to you.
Walang iyak.
Guys, that's the Eiffel Tower. Behind us is the Eiffel Tower, guys, with the snow. Oh my God. Ay, wag. Woo! Ang ganda na baka pre yung payong mo.
Ganda.
Woo! Guys, ayan na yung Eiffel Tower, oh. Woo! Woo, guys!
O tara na. Uy, pala tayo picture sa Eiffel. Picture mo sa Eiffel.
Woo!